Yo, what is up, guys? We are back. I think this is vlog number 2. We are on our way to DreamHack Anaheim. We took a different car today. I'm actually in the Raptor, which is a giant fucking boat. And it is so hard to drive and do this at the same time. I probably can hit somebody. But we're going down. We're staying at an Airbnb with myself, Tryhouse, Ted, Hammer. A bunch of other people are coming. It's going to be so good. I think it should be a good time. We're driving down right now. So in a couple hours we'll be there. And we will be doing this all weekend long. It's going to be a full vlog of DreamHack Anaheim. And I can't wait to show you guys what goes on off camera when a bunch of streamers get together. Hopefully it's just a mess.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Alright guys, we made it. Friggin' this house they fucking picked was so hard to find. It's so dark over here. But we're here. Tryhouse is inside. He's actually streaming right now. You probably hear him a little bit in the background. So we're gonna get in there. We might get some videos with everybody. I'm not sure yet on what the plan is tonight, but we will see. So we're here. This is the room we're staying in. Not a bad little room, actually. I really like it. Tryhouse is out there being really loud right now. We're gonna go out there in a second. But it's pretty sick. For the middle of Anaheim, I really can't complain. So not bad for how much it costs. We got 50 over here on this. And then we're gonna go out here. We're gonna go interrupt his stream right now. Are you ready? Here we go.
Guys, honestly, you fucking shitidiots.
Albino!
Go through my bits leaderboard down to the panels and look at why.
Hi, Hammer. Ooh. Hey, what?
Give her a nice smooch.
If you look the other shirt, he goes more bits. Little Reed, I am not.
That's so dope. Oh, train of thought's gone.
Little Reed, thank you for the 5K bits. What are these bits for? I probably called you a shitter, Kings Record. Albino?
Kind of a mess going on right now. Try's still streaming. We're waiting on him to finish up so we can actually start partying. But it should be pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content that's coming up. Got a bunch of people here. Albino Tiger, Wyatt Berry, Hammer, Forky's here, Danny from Tryhouse's stream. There's so many people here. And Ted still isn't even here yet. There's still more people to come. So look forward to it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is day number 1 of DreamHack. We are just waiting on Forky to get ready so we can go over and actually check out the venue. But there's supposed to be Rocket League, CSGO, a couple other games going on. So it should be a good time. Hopefully we'll have some fun. Hopefully we'll meet some people, you know, network like we should be doing. But everybody's back there right now. Ignore Tryhouse's mess. They're behind us. They're all hanging out playing Rocket League, of course. Rocket League going on here. We have Rocket League over there. It's a mess. So yeah,
do your vlog.
got him! Yeah,
At the end of the
cutie.
shower, like sitting over the edge of the shower.
We're just like,
Yeah, I was thinking like shit, man. Was that
A wild albino is here. Yeah, hurry up.
My bad. That's on me. That's on me. Carson, wake up, bro. Are you trying to go to the event?
what the hell are you guys doing in here? More Rocket League? Oh God.
Hack Rocket. Let's get the fuck out of Dodge.
Vintage. Look at it. Oh, we're all gonna fit in this. All 10 of us. Do you ever dust this thing off?
Like professional disc golfers out here.
Oh, he's disc golfing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
That's cool.
we got to get Forky's reaction.
Like, yep, this is
I'm
my
so
life.
fucking uncomfortable right now.
Hey, you want to get a seatbelt?
Oh my god.
How are we making this happen?
How's he supposed to fit?
This is it?
This is it.
Hold on.
We're gonna have to cross.
Let me show you the seatbelt here. Plug the seatbelt in.
Here we go.
There you go.
Touch
Perfect.
the tips.
All right, we're. So if these are my last words, everything goes to the dogs.
Damn.
Yeah, Amanda, you can have the PC though.
Who's a you mean Mandy?
Sorry, Mandy, you can have the PC though. There's where albino won't go. What do you mean? I'm sorry. That was horrible. That was the worst thing ever.
Oh yeah, dude, that thing's like moving, bro.
How did we get here in that?
I have no idea, bro.
Hi guys, we got our new setup here. Yeah, we got a little PC, just a little guy there. So yeah, we're gonna go live on this, no problem here. Van Hall's pretty wild. Like, there's so much going on. There's laser tag, there's streams going on, there's games going on. There's just everything, and there's too much to look at any single time. Apparently, me, Try, and Ted are going to be competing at DreamHack. Apparently, there's only like 13 teams that have signed up for DreamHack Rocket League, and there's actually a cash prize for the top 10 teams. So if we can get just a few wins with me, United, and Tryhouse, we can actually make some money here at DreamHack. I don't know how it's actually going to go. We'll see, but we're going to try our best to make it happen. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. We'll try and get some footage of that. We'll see though. So guys, that's the end of day one. What we're gonna do now is we're probably gonna go back to the house. Try is gonna be streaming. I think we're gonna do a little bit of practicing with me, Try, and Ted for the tournament tomorrow, and see if we can make this happen. Who knows? Either way, it's going to be fun. Day one was a lot to take in such a short time. Tomorrow we'll probably do a little more exploring, maybe showing off a little more things. But there's a lot of cool stuff going on, actually. A lot of different games they're doing here. Halo, CSGO, Rainbow Six, MOBAs. There's just so much going on. So hopefully we can capture more for you guys, though. Good morning. Day two. We're about to head out to the venue. Me, Try, and Ted are playing today, qualifying. Hopefully we qualify. There's 15 teams, I think. So we're going to see how this goes. You guys enjoy the action today. So, we are trying to sign up right now for some practice. They got a ton of computers all over the place right now. All of these are computers, and there's only one available. So Tryhouse is getting on there. He's getting some practice going right now. Hopefully this goes well. We'll see. Who knows? Let's go, boys. We got the mods. They're crushing. They're down. Got Ted. We got Tryhouse. Hammer. We're gonna take it. We're favored. We're actually getting on the stream. So if you guys saw it, make sure to like it down below. Well, that was fun. We ended up being 1 and 2. No, 1 and 3. No money, but we did our best. Look at. So Tryhouse threw again. We ended up not doing well. Tryhouse absolutely threw. Me and Ted did work. He's holding his head in shame, but he did work. Oh boy, though. It was a rough one, guys. It was a rough one. Yo, good morning. It's day 3, and I am exhausted. All of these last 2 days, we've gone to bed at like 4 in the morning. So right now, since we didn't make it in the LAN event, me, Try, and Forky are gonna go back. Forky did make it, so we are gonna go back and watch him play, and hopefully he's gonna win it all. He does win some money. We were 1 spot away from winning the money, and Tryhouse let us down. So it is what it is. We'll keep going. We're gonna come back next year better and stronger. Until then, I guess we'll watch Forky play. So we'll see you guys at the convention center.
I'm gonna go fall asleep.
Well, guys, we are just getting home from day 3 at Anaheim. It was a ton of fun. So many great people we meet. So many awesome memories to be had with the stream fam. All in all, an incredible trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of missed some of the stuff on day 3. We didn't get too much going. We kind of left after Forky had lost his first match. He still had a round 3 match to win, which he did win. But we were all exhausted. We went home to the Airbnb and hung out for a while, and then I headed home. And it was a lot of fun. We're going to be at RLCS Dallas. If you guys are going to be there, hit me up. Make sure to look out for me. I'll be vlogging for sure. Our next event we're doing is going to be the Terra Crew and Hoonigan meetup in Irwindale the very next weekend. So this is going to come out Friday, and the next day when it comes out, I will already be with my truck loaded up, going down to that to be vlogging that. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be vlog number 3, I believe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace!